Disney just released Frozen 2 and Christmas is getting closer. Talk about the perfect timing to make a video on frozen vegetables. For those of you who haven't seen Frozen or Frozen 2 yet, I'll try not to spoil anything or make too much Frozen references. And if you don't know Frozen at all, ignore what I just said. Just let it go. What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Tom and on this channel I make weekly videos on fitness, healthy foods and lifestyle. There's a small red button over here. There's subscribe on it. Please click it. It supports me a lot and you'll stay up to date with any future videos I release. We all know we have to eat a lot of vegetables every single day because of the many health benefits they bring us. They're rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, which helps strengthen your immune system and also helps your body recover quicker after working out. Chances are you've heard people say at least 2/3 of your dinner plate should be covered with veggies. Now I'm bad at math, so I've conducted my own rule to see if I have enough veggies or not on my plate. It's called the avalanche. Just to stay in today's theme, the avalanche basically consists of burying your meat and carb source under a pile of vegetables, and when it's fully covered, you know you have the right amount of vegetables. So we have to eat a lot of vegetables every single day, but they don't stay that fresh for long. And unless you want to eat canned vegetables, this is where frozen vegetables come in handy. Fresh vegetables stay fresh for about 4 to 5 days, while frozen vegetables stay fresh for about 1 month or even more. But are frozen vegetables as healthy as fresh vegetables? Fresh vegetables are often harvested before they become ripe. They have a lot of transporting to do, and they might lose some nutrition on the way over to the end consumer. Frozen vegetables, these are harvested at the peak of their ripeness. When we look what's inside the frozen vegetables, it says 100% of cauliflower and 100% of broccoli. So there were no additives or preservatives added during packaging. There are many frozen veggies to choose from, and even mixed veggies, which are perfect to add to a rich Mediterranean dish or a classic spaghetti sauce. You can see the difference in prices between the fresh broccoli and cauliflower versus the frozen alternatives. The frozen ones are clearly cheaper. They're also more convenient. They're already chopped up, as you can see, and already washed. So after a busy day of school or work, these are the ones you should go to. The time has come to do a little taste test. I'm gonna see if I can tell the difference between a frozen cauliflower and a fresh cauliflower, or a frozen broccoli and a fresh broccoli. I have no clue which vegetable is which. I can't see a thing. I don't know how many fingers am I don't even know, okay? That's the frozen broccoli. Now I can tell because my taste buds are quite developed, but this is definitely, you can hardly tell, normal people can hardly tell. Well, this is awkward. In all seriousness, you can tell the difference between frozen and fresh vegetables. The frozen ones are the cold ones. Also, the frozen vegetables are less flavorful and less crispy than the fresh vegetables. If this bothers you, you can always blend them in a soup. In a soup, you won't notice a difference in taste and crispiness. Right here, I made an amazing granny cauliflower broccoli soup. Remind me to make a future video on this one because it's marvelous. In conclusion, frozen vegetables are as nutritious or sometimes even more nutritious than fresh vegetables. They're less crispy, cheaper, and can save you a ton of time after a busy day of school or work. Reviewing frozen vegetables was a fun thing to do. The cold never bothered me anyway. Comment down below if you prefer fresh or frozen vegetables. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.